baby cat. It's Monday. Are you sad about your Chiefs? Can you say congratulations to the Eagle fans? No. No? Well, I'll say it then. Are you too upset? Are you upset that Taylor Swift got booed? Is that it? Is that what you're... Is it because it's freezing out and you're sick of it? Did you have any good appetizers? No. Well, you had 2 love sums. That's like a party for a Super Bowl. Oh, what are you looking at? That was weird. All right. Well, it's Monday. We're not going to do anything. Yesterday was too hard. Too hard. Fuck it. Nothing. Yeah, that's right. Nothing.